Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Aliexpress. I'm going to show you 2 ways how you can do it and how you can also promote your products. That's another thing what I will show you. But before we start this, you see that you can make $100 a day with Aliexpress. It's possible, but it's going to take time and a lot of testing. Even the Rome was built in a day, and even like succeeding with Aliexpress products or whatever business is not going to be achievable in 1 to 3 months. You need to actually set up processes and just keep in mind that if you want to, that you should do it long term, that you shouldn't focus on a short-term goals from my perspective. Now, how to make money with Aliexpress. The first way is, yes, actually resell the products in the US, in a UK or whatever country you're from. So the first way, what I would recommend is that yes, you can go on Amazon and just get a product from Aliexpress, get in Amazon. That's the first way. But I wouldn't really recommend it in this time to go this way. And I'll explain you why. Because plenty of companies who are on Aliexpress, they just add their product in Amazon. And plenty of people are doing this. From my perspective, what I would do, and you need to do like deep research on this. And I worked with the e-commerce stores a lot, so therefore I'm speaking from experience. This is not something that I'm making up. What I would do is that I would definitely create a Shopify store or just store e-commerce by yourself, not relying on Amazon. And then I would just start with the Facebook ads. I would just focus on creating just like something by myself, not just relying on Amazon, and running Facebook ads, creating organic content that I can like get traffic from YouTube search or Google search. In that way, it's much more effective. So what I would do, and what I would recommend for you to do, is to actually, let's say that you would create a Shopify store. What you can do is to drop ship it with DSCRS or Oberlo. These are the 2 softwares that you can easily just try it for free or login. And this is Oberlo is also for that you can easily copy and paste the product. Now, what you need to focus on, not only defining the product, but analyzing the market if it's actually worth it to sell the product. So you see that I'm going to woman glasses. And now you see that, let's say that I would just sell square glasses, plenty of those, or like round glasses. And what you can do is just easily copy the product and people would just buy it. And what the DSCRS and Oberlo is going to help you with is that when you would order it from your site, it would automatically create order in Aliexpress and it will send them the product. In that way, it's really, really effective, and plenty of people in my country are making money that way. But that's the first thing. So actually find a product which is worth it, and you need to do the research by yourself. There are plenty of people who are creating content like YouTube videos about what products you should sell, but this is the first beginning, just choosing the product. When you're gonna like have the product, you need to actually know how to market it. And now comes the way that you need to learn how to do the Facebook ads. What you can do also is create YouTube videos about that product, if it's actually worth it or no, and then have like your Shopify link or like Shopify store, whatever store you're gonna have in the description. If you want to create YouTube videos, I can help you with that. I've been on YouTube for like 4 years right now. I created over 4,000 videos, and I have a course down below in the description that you can check out and maybe even buy, and have someone kind of like start how to work with YouTube, how to analyze competition. I literally tell everything about it there. Now, that's the first way what you can do. Or you can start writing a blog where you're reviewing the product. Or you can run just Facebook ads, Google ads. But just keep in mind with the Facebook ads, you need to focus on creative a lot. And you need to really specialize in the targeting. So I would recommend definitely watch plenty of videos how to do that well. Or just pay someone. It depends how much money you have and what kind of budget you have. And now when you're gonna do the marketing side, which is like, I know I'd say it really simply, but it's complex, then you need to actually calculate how much money you're gonna make. Like, okay, let's say that I have square glasses, or these ones here, this is like $3, $2.96. So what I would do is this. Okay, $2.96 is price. Let's say that I'm going to sell them for $10. Let's say, yes, I know it's a little bit expensive for this type of glasses, but maybe I can sell them. So $10 is my selling price. First, I need to calculate minus 296, that's $7. Then I need to calculate the office. If I'm going to sell it from the office, the Shopify cost of the Shopify cost. Then there are also fees when you're gonna, so like Shopify is going to take transaction fee, PayPal or card processor can take some fees. So there's like, with Shopify store that I have to pay for, there's like minus 0.50, let's say. Now I need to also calculate how much I put to the ads on Facebook. That can be another like $2.50 for one product. So $2.50, $3, minus $3, let's say. So I invested $3 to acquire a person to buy my glasses for now $10. So right now, as you can see, I have profitability of $3.54. And now what I have to do is to actually go even further and pay taxes from it. So that's another 0.20, right? Or something like that. It can be 0.20. That's 2.80 is my profit. So 2.80 would be my profit. Let's say this is just like calculations I made up in my mind. And you need to understand how many I need to sell of glasses to actually have and paid for myself. Let's say my expenses are $1,000 monthly. So I need to actually sell those 357 glasses I need to sell to actually pay for my livelihood. And this is what you need to do. You need to actually do the calculations if it's actually worth it for you or if it's not actually worth it. So always do this. First, find a product. You need to check out the YouTube videos which are like recommending what kind of product you should choose. Then learn how to market it. Find a way how you can run Facebook ads. Then also maybe with Google ads, but you need to really analyze things. And then focus on marketing. My recommendation is that not the marketing, but focus on how we can reach organically people with TikTok, with Snapchat, with YouTube videos, with writing a blog. It really depends what you're good at. I would really focus on it and then calculate how much money you can actually make. That how many products you need to sell to like be good. But sometimes you're gonna pay more, or like you're gonna have like bigger expenses in marketing when you're gonna do the paid ads, only because you need to actually test things out, what works, what doesn't. And that's where you're gonna spend most of the money. Now, this is the first way how we can actually make money with Aliexpress. The second way how we can make money is to like earn money from the affiliate. So what you can do is to top products. So let's say that I would create videos. I can help you again with that with the affiliate. So best woman glasses in Aliexpress, best Aliexpress products to buy. And now you can make these and you can see that right now there are links. Look at this: Aliexpress, 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 all the links, whole deal express. It's not available. See?
Hello, dear.
Oh my god. And now, as you can see, plenty of people are buying from Aliexpress because it's cheap. And as you can see, they got like just like voiceover of the tutorial. And now you always see the Aliexpress, 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 Aliexpress. And you can easily buy them. So this is another way how you can actually make money with Aliexpress. I think it's also a good way. And if you want to create a tutorial like this, like video like these, I can help you with that, how you can also get the voiceover, etc. So I'm going to check the stats of this guy. They're making this video. And you can really automate the whole process. And right now, I really believe that this guy is making, what, like 2-3K even more from affiliate, from Aliexpress. So that's another way how you can make money. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave the comment down below. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.